Namaste. So today's topic is hormone and their types. A hormone is a type of chemical signal. They are a mean of communication between the cell. The endocrine system produces hormone that are instrumental in the maintaining homeostasis and regulating introduction and development. A hormone is a chemical messenger produced by a cell that affects specific change in the cellular activity of the cell or target cell. Unlike exocrine gland which produce substance such as saliva, milk, stomach acid, digestive enzyme. Endocrine gland do not secrete the substance into the duct tube. Instead, endocrine glands secrete the hormone directly into the surrounding extracellular space. The hormone they then diffuse into the nearby capillaries and they are transported throughout the body in the blood. The endocrine and the nervous system often work together and the same goal. Both influence other cells that chemical with the chemical which we called it as hormone or neurotransmitter. However, they attain the goal differently. Neurotransmitter act immediately on adjacent muscles, gland or other nervous cell and their effect is short-lived. In contrast to hormone, take longer to produce their intent effect. May affect any cell nearby or distal and produce effect that last as longer as remain in the blood, which could be up to the several hours. In the following table, the major hormones are given with their target. So you can see the major hormone. Thalamus hormone release is hypothalamic releasing an inhibitory hormone. Chemical class is peptide and target tissue is arterial pituitary and function is regulate arterial pituitary hormone. Posterior pituitary is antidiuretic peptide. It target tissue is kidney, stimulate water reabsorption by the kidney. Then anterior pituitary is thyroid stimulating hormone THS, glycoprotein thyroid stimulate thyroid and adenocorticotropic hormones is also a peptide hormone. Adrenal cortex stimulate adrenal cortex. Gonadotropic hormone FSH and LH. Follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. They are glycoprotein, target tissue is gonad and egg and sperm production, sex hormone production. Prolactation, protein, mammary gland, milk production. Growth hormone, protein, soft tissue, bone, cell division, protein synthesis and bone growth. Thyroid T3 and thyroxine and triiodothyroxine T3 and T4. So iodinated ammonium acid, all tissue, they work on all tissue, increase the metabolic rate, growth and development. Calcitonin peptide work on bone, kidney and intestine, lower blood calcium level. Then parathyroid hormone, they are peptide hormone, they are also work on bone, kidney and intestine, rise blood calcium level. Then adrenal cortex is glucocorticoids, steroid all tissue, rise blood glucose level, stimulate the breakdown of protein. So you can see here the many more like adrenal medulla, epinephrine and non-epinephrine. They release in the emergency situation of fight and flight. Then pancreas, insulin. It is also protein. Liver, it work on liver, muscle, adipose should lower the level of glucose. Then testis, estrogen, testosterone, steroidal hormone work on gonad, skin, muscles and bone, stimulate the male sex character. Then ovaries, estrogen and progesterone, they are also steroidal hormone, gonad and the skin, muscles and the bone, stimulate fever sex characteristics. So they are the female sex characteristic and stimulated by the estrogen and the progesterone. Then thalamus, thyrosin, peptide, T lymphocyte stimulate the production and maturation of T lymphocyte. Pineal gland, melatonin, modified amino acid in its use in brain, control the circadian and the circadian rhythm. So these are the common hormones. Hormones can be classified into four groups: amino acid derivative, polypeptide and protein derivative, steroid and eicosanoid derivative. So you can see here the hormones are also lipid soluble and water soluble. So hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.